Welcome. In this video, we'll explore how to design effective workflows in knowledge-based software, focusing on approvals and ownership. Whether you're managing a small team or a large organization, having clear processes ensures your knowledge base remains accurate, up-to-date, and trustworthy. We'll break down the key concepts, walk through practical steps, and provide tips for streamlining collaboration. Let's start by understanding why structured workflows matter and how they can transform your knowledge management experience. Workflows are the backbone of any successful knowledge base. Without them, content can become outdated, duplicated, or even lost. A well-designed workflow ensures that every piece of information is reviewed, approved, and assigned to the right person. This not only maintains quality, but also builds trust among users. By establishing clear steps for content creation, review, and publication, your team can collaborate more efficiently and avoid confusion. Ownership is a critical component in workflow design. Assigning clear ownership for each article or section means someone is always responsible for updates, accuracy, and responding to feedback. This prevents content from becoming stale and ensures accountability. Owners can be individuals or teams, depending on your organization's structure. Let's look at how to assign and manage ownership effectively. To assign content owners, start by mapping out your knowledge-based structure. Identify key topics and subtopics, then match them with subject matter experts or relevant teams. Use your software's built-in features to designate owners for each section. Make sure responsibilities are clear and visible to everyone. Regularly review ownership assignments to adapt to team changes or evolving expertise. Approval processes are essential for maintaining quality and consistency. Define who needs to review content before it goes live. This could be a manager, a peer, or a dedicated editor. Set up approval chains in your knowledge-based software, specifying the order and criteria for each step. Automated notifications can help keep the process moving and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. There are several types of approval workflows you can implement. Sequential approvals require each reviewer to sign off in order, while parallel approvals allow multiple reviewers to check content simultaneously. Choose the type that best fits your team's needs and the complexity of your content. Your knowledge-based software should support both options, giving you flexibility as your organization grows. Sequential approvals are ideal when content needs to be reviewed in a specific order. For example, a technical writer drafts an article, a subject matter expert checks for accuracy, and finally, an editor reviews for clarity and style. Configure your workflow so each step triggers the next, ensuring a smooth and traceable process. This method is great for high-stakes or regulated content. Parallel approvals work well when multiple reviewers can check content at the same time. For instance, a new policy might need input from legal, HR, and IT departments. Set up your workflow so all reviewers are notified simultaneously and can approve independently. Once all approvals are received, the content moves forward. This approach speeds up the process for cross-functional topics. Automation can greatly enhance your workflow efficiency. Most knowledge-based platforms allow you to automate repetitive tasks, such as sending notifications, assigning tasks, or escalating overdue approvals. By leveraging automation, you reduce manual effort and minimize the risk of human error. This keeps your content pipeline moving smoothly and ensures deadlines are met. Permissions are another key aspect of workflow design. Define who can create, edit, approve, or publish content. Use role-based access controls to ensure only authorized users can make changes at each stage. This protects your knowledge base from accidental edits or unauthorized publications, maintaining the integrity of your information. Role-based access control, RBAC, lets you assign permissions based on user roles. For example, contributors can draft articles, reviewers can approve, and admins can publish. This structure simplifies management and ensures everyone knows their responsibilities. Regularly review roles to keep your workflow secure and up-to-date as your team evolves. The workflow usually starts with drafting new content. Authors or contributors create articles, guides, or FAQs. Encourage them to follow templates and guidelines to maintain consistency. Once a draft is ready, it moves to the review stage. Clear instructions at this step help ensure high-quality submissions and reduce back-and-forth corrections. After drafting, content enters the review phase. Reviewers check for accuracy, clarity, and relevance. They provide feedback directly in the knowledge-based software, making it easy for authors to revise. Multiple review rounds may be needed, especially for complex topics. This collaborative process ensures only high-quality content is published. Once content passes review, it moves to the approval stage. Approvers verify that all feedback has been addressed and the article meets standards. After final approval, the content is published and becomes accessible to users. This step is crucial for maintaining trust and ensuring only vetted information is shared. Version control is vital in knowledge base workflows. Track every change made to articles, including who made it and when. This allows you to revert to previous versions if needed and provides a clear audit trail. Most knowledge base platforms offer built-in version history, making it easy to manage updates and maintain transparency. Timely notifications keep your workflow on track. Set up automatic reminders for pending reviews, approvals, or updates. This helps prevent bottlenecks and ensures everyone stays informed about their responsibilities. Customizable notifications let you tailor alerts to your team's preferences, improving responsiveness and accountability. Sometimes, approvals or reviews get delayed. Define escalation paths so that overdue tasks are automatically reassigned or flagged to higher-level managers. This keeps your workflow moving and ensures critical content isn't held up. Escalation rules can be customized based on urgency, content type, or team structure. A robust workflow includes mechanisms for ongoing feedback and updates. Allow users to suggest edits or flag outdated information. Content owners receive these suggestions and decide whether to update the article. This continuous improvement loop keeps your knowledge base relevant and valuable. Not all content stays relevant forever. Set up workflows for archiving or retiring outdated articles. Define criteria for when content should be reviewed for relevance and who decides if it should be archived. This keeps your knowledge base clean and ensures users only access current information. Use reporting and analytics tools to monitor your workflow's effectiveness. Track metrics like approval times, content freshness, and user engagement. These insights help you identify bottlenecks, improve processes, and demonstrate the value of your knowledge base to stakeholders. Integrate your knowledge base workflow with other business tools like project management, communication, or ticketing systems. This streamlines collaboration and ensures information flows seamlessly across platforms. Look for software with robust integration options to maximize efficiency. Modern knowledge base platforms often offer mobile apps or responsive web interfaces. This allows team members to participate in workflows, approve content, or respond to feedback on the go. Mobile access increases flexibility and ensures your workflow doesn't stall when someone is away from their desk. Most knowledge base software provides workflow templates. Customize these templates to fit your organization's needs. Adjust steps, roles, and permissions as required. Tailored workflows ensure your processes align with your unique business requirements and team structure. Effective onboarding ensures new team members understand your workflow processes. Provide training on how to use the knowledge base software, assign roles, and explain approval chains. Clear onboarding reduces errors and helps new users contribute confidently from day one. Some knowledge base articles may contain sensitive or confidential information. Set up special workflows for these cases, including stricter approval chains and limited access. This ensures sensitive data is handled appropriately and only visible to authorized personnel. Large organizations often need multiple workflows for different content types or departments. Use your software's workflow management features to create and monitor separate processes. This allows each team to operate efficiently while maintaining overall consistency and control. Occasionally, exceptions arise that require bypassing standard workflows. For example, urgent updates or executive overrides. Define clear procedures for handling exceptions, including who can authorize them and how they're documented. This maintains transparency and prevents misuse. Workflow design is not a one-time task. Regularly review and refine your processes based on feedback and analytics. Involve your team in identifying pain points and brainstorming solutions. Continuous improvement keeps your knowledge base agile and responsive to changing needs. Be aware of common workflow pitfalls, such as unclear roles, bottlenecks, or lack of accountability. Address these issues by documenting processes, assigning clear responsibilities, and using automation where possible. Proactive management prevents small issues from becoming major obstacles. Encourage user engagement by making workflows intuitive and user-friendly. Provide clear instructions, helpful tooltips, and responsive support. The easier it is for team members to follow workflows, the more likely they are to adopt and stick with them, ensuring long-term success. Let's look at a case study. In a small team, a simple workflow might involve one author, one reviewer, and one approver. The process is straightforward, with minimal steps and quick turnaround. This setup is ideal for startups or small businesses where agility is key and communication is direct. In contrast, a large organization may require complex workflows with multiple reviewers, specialized approvers, and detailed tracking. Automation and role-based access become even more important to manage, scale, and maintain quality. This approach ensures consistency across departments and supports compliance requirements. Visualizing your workflow helps everyone understand the process. Use flowcharts or diagrams to map out each step, from drafting to publishing. Display these visuals in your knowledge base or onboarding materials to make workflows transparent and easy to follow. Document your workflows in detail. Include step-by-step instructions, role definitions, and escalation procedures. Make this documentation easily accessible within your knowledge base. Well-documented workflows reduce confusion and serve as a reference for both new and experienced team members. Establish governance policies for your workflows. Define who is responsible for maintaining processes, updating documentation, and ensuring compliance. Governance provides oversight and helps your knowledge base adapt to organizational changes or regulatory requirements. Clearly define user roles and responsibilities within your workflow. Outline what each role can and cannot do, and communicate this to your team. This clarity prevents overlap, reduces errors, and ensures everyone knows their part in maintaining the knowledge base. As your organization grows, your workflows must scale accordingly. Choose knowledge-based software that supports scalable workflows with features like bulk assignments, advanced permissions, and integration with other systems. Scalable workflows future-proof your knowledge management strategy. Security is paramount in workflow design. Use strong authentication, regular audits, and encrypted connections to protect your knowledge base. Limit access to sensitive workflows and monitor for unusual activity. Security best practices safeguard your organization's information assets. Custom fields let you capture additional information at each workflow stage. For example, you might track article priority, department, or compliance status. Use custom fields to tailor workflows to your organization's unique needs and improve reporting accuracy. APIs allow you to extend your workflow capabilities by integrating with other tools and automating complex processes. For example, you can trigger workflows from external systems or sync approval statuses with project management platforms. API integrations unlock powerful automation and connectivity. Audit trails provide a detailed record of every action taken in your workflow. This includes who made changes, when, and what was modified. Audit trails are essential for compliance, troubleshooting, and maintaining accountability across your knowledge base. If your knowledge base accepts contributions from external users, set up special workflows for submissions, reviews, and approvals. Limit permissions and add extra review steps to ensure content quality and security. This approach encourages community input while protecting your organization's standards. When updating workflows, use change management best practices. Communicate changes clearly, provide training, and gather feedback. Gradual rollout and support help your team adapt smoothly, minimizing disruption and maximizing adoption. Define success metrics for your workflows, such as average approval time, content freshness, or user satisfaction. Regularly review these metrics to measure performance and identify areas for improvement. Data-driven insights help you optimize your knowledge-based processes. To wrap up, designing effective workflows in knowledge-based software is essential for maintaining quality, accountability, and efficiency. Focus on clear ownership, robust approval processes, automation, and continuous improvement. By following these best practices, you'll create a knowledge base that empowers your team and delivers lasting value to your organization.